What's up guys, welcome to a brand new video from myself, Keenan at FX Cultivation. In this video I'll be going through a few pairs I have on my watch list, a few currency pairs along with some cryptocurrencies. Basically this video will entail some technical analysis along with some fundamental analysis. So let's get to it. So we'll be starting with AUDJPY. AUDJPY, if we go to our daily time frame, currently is within a long-term uptrend. We currently see a few touches on the ascending trend line, and my entry for AUDJPY was at the break of this descending trend line, as you can see over here. Currently, with the EMAs beginning to cross one another, we are within a consolidation period. My thoughts on this would be to add if we get a break above this high. My stop is just below these lows. It was initially around the 90.9 area, and as soon as we made a new higher high, I decided to move the stop up just to mitigate some risk. Euro USD, I was in Euro USD, then stopped me out. My plan now would be to enter on a break of this little possible continuation pattern down to the bottom of this ascending trend line. So if we take a look at our daily time frame, we do see that the market did rally quite a significant amount. It could be overextended with positive news from the US dollar or the American economy. Could see this pair possibly going towards the downside. So next we have USD Canadian dollar. As we can see, we are in a long-term uptrend. Recently, we did see a bit of consolidation with the EMAs crossing and the price fixed within this expanding type of pattern. If we take a look at the descending trend line, we do see a break above the trend and a break above the high, but it's quite a low amount of volume for that particular move. And if we take a look at our 1 hour time frame, we do see a possible exhaustion of price action. Although I am quite bullish on the US dollar in this instance, it looks like the US dollar is losing some momentum in comparison to the Canadian dollar, but overall I am still bullish for the United States dollar. Next we have GBPJPY. I am currently still in this trade. As you can see, there has been a nice bullish impulsive move, currently in a sort of a correction phase. Could be a possible trend continuation pattern, but if we take a look closer, we do see that the price could be consolidating around this area over here. We did see a sort of a consolidation along with a reversal pattern making its way toward the 166 area, and I basically took the trade at the top over there. A third of the position, I usually took a third to 40%. If we get any signs of a continuation pattern forming, I will be adding to this position. But for now, my stop loss should be at break even. Yes, my stop loss is at break even. So if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm still long AUDJPY, so if I get stopped out, then I would be hedging against this position, which is currently at break even. And next, we are looking at the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So as you can see, overall it's a downtrend. Since October, we've seen a nice strong move to the upside for the New Zealand dollar. So if we take a look at the EMAs, usually when the price goes below the 20 towards the 50, we do see a sort of a continuation pattern forming on the 4 hour. If we take a look on the 1 hour and we take into account this large impulsive move to the downside, we could be seeing the New Zealand dollar pair moving towards the downside to around this ascending trend line. A break above the descending trend line, as you can see over here, could potentially mean a move up towards the 60.645 area, even 0.65. A move down below could see a possible decline towards this ascending trend line over there. Let's move on to our cryptocurrencies. As of now, I'm currently holding some cryptos for the long term, but I do have two open trades, one for the Bitcoin on Binance and the other for Ethereum on Binance as well on their futures. So overall, Bitcoin is currently in a downtrending market. We did see a nice impulsive move on the 4-hour time frame with a break of this pattern, as you can see there. We did see a continuation pattern forming with a nice impulsive move with a bit of volume adding up. Currently we are just trending sideways, so this could possibly mean a exhaustion pattern forming on the 4-hour time frame. If we take a look at our Ethereum USD, I just want to add this to the list. Taking a look at Ethereum USD, we do see a long-term downtrend. There's been a lot of good news regarding the Ethereum ecosphere and other cryptocurrencies, so overall market sentiment as of late isn't too bearish, but I do believe that if we get a break above this descending trend line over there, we could possibly see the price going up towards the 1450 area, touching the descending trend line. But that's that for me. No stocks or commodities on the watch list as of now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the first one in quite a while, so I would appreciate your feedback and support. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.